guys, and welcome back to Coupon with the Lady. Finally got your video ready for you on how to use Swagbucks to help you with your couponing. Now, Swagbucks is a wonderful system that I have used for a very long time. So I am excited to show you how to make it work for you. The first thing you should know is when you join Swagbucks, this will be the main page that you come to. Anytime you want to come to this Swagbucks, you just go right up here to this little swag button, click it, and it will bring this page up. Sometimes you'll get free swag codes. If you do, you can just enter them right there. Click on that button and it'll bring up a box. And those are random. They'll just pop up a little box on your screen from time to time that says, there's a new Swagbuck, and it'll tell you what to do, or a swag code, and it'll tell you what to do. So just follow the directions. Anytime you want to get to the Swagbucks main page, you just click Swagbucks down here at the bottom. It tells you over here how many Swagbucks that you have available, so that's nice to know. The next thing that you should do, or at least I do, is to either set up Swagbucks as your search bar, or when you're searching for something, come here to the main page and use this web box to search it. Now, if you want to know how to set it up as your search engine, you click these three little dots over here, go to settings. It'll bring up, now mine is Chrome, so whatever type you have, go to your settings. You'll go down to search engine. Mine says Swagbucks right here already, but you can change it, of course. If not, go to manage search engines. Usually you'll see it pop up here once you've joined Swagbucks. If not, you can type it into the search bar up here and set it up. That way you don't have to worry every time you type in up here to your bar. It's going to be using Swagbucks, and it's really nice because every few searches you'll notice at the top of your search it will say you've just earned 5 Swagbucks or you've just earned 3 Swagbucks. I actually earned 100 one time doing that. It was amazing. So definitely one way to earn your Swagbucks. Another way to earn your Swagbucks that is really neat is if you look here under most popular ways to earn, sometimes they have coupon deals that you can do. Right now today is February the 23rd of 2018, so it depends on when you're watching this video. But right now they have a deal on Glade where if you purchase one of the car starter kits and one plug-ins refill, you'll get 500 Swagbucks. If you purchase 2 of the car refills at Walmart, and the starter kit, you'll get back 1,000 Swagbucks. Now that equates to a $10 CVS gift card right there. And there are printable coupons right now on coupons.com or on Swagbucks, their coupon site, which is what I'm fixing to show you, that you could print out on both the starter kit for Glade, and there was a buy one get one refill on the car refills printable coupon as well. So both of those are fabulous deals. You can use your coupons to buy these, and then you'd earn your 1,000 Swagbucks to add to your total. I have already done this, and it worked just fine. Another deal I did when they did this was one time there was a Kiwi deal. And I did the Kiwi deal and did earn my Swagbucks. I think it was like 2,500 Swagbucks that time for just purchasing the leather starter kit, and I had coupons to go with it. So always look under this most popular ways to earn tab. There's a new Swag IQ game that you can put on your phone, and it rewards you with Swagbucks as well. So that's a new thing that I'm just now checking out. That looks like a lot of fun. Another thing that you can do to earn your swag bucks is to go up here to shop. You see that? Shop. Click on it, and it's going to take you over here. Then you'll want to click on grocery coupons. Now you can explore, of course, all of these tabs, but if you print out their coupons, right now you could earn 10 swag bucks for every coupon you redeem at your local grocery store. That does not include CVS or Walgreens. Those are drugstores. It has to be a grocery store. But every few months you'll notice up here they also will say earn 1 swag buck per coupon you print out. And that'll run for about a month at a time. And so that's a good way of earning swag bucks just by printing the coupons that we're going to print anyway. And theirs is laid out a lot like coupons.com. Now I'm kind of stabbing my own self in the foot because everybody knows I have a website and I have these coupons available on my website, but you don't earn swag bucks from printing them off my website. So I'm going to be honest and say that this is a good way to earn swag bucks, is by printing the coupons from here. So I do that. Oh, and see, there's that save $2 on 2 Glade plugins car refills. And here's one, save $1.50 on the Glade starter kit. I wanted to say that there was one for buy one, get one free. It may not be here anymore. I don't know, and I'm not going to take the time to dig through and see. But that is a way to earn swag bucks. Now let's go back. You can always click this swag buck button to go back to your main page. Another way that you can earn swag bucks is by buying gift cards. Now I said this on several of my videos pre-Christmas, because what a wonderful Christmas gift to send to family and friends. And you could even buy 1 gift card per month for the 12 months. By Christmas, you're going to have 11 or 12 gift cards that you could give out your Christmas already bought. So this is a great way to do it for Christmas. They also run specials. Right now, their special is to earn an extra 100 swag bucks on these particular featured gift cards of $50 or more, and these are the ones that are included in that. Now, if you only want to buy like the $25 gift cards or whatever, that's fine too. They will ask you to sign in, but let me give you an idea of the types of gift cards that are available. If you want to go to Olive Garden or Cheddar's or something like that to eat, grab a gift card first before you go and do that, and just pay for it with a gift card. Applebee's, lots of restaurants in here. If you shop at Ulta, if you go to the movies, and they're real easy to buy. You just click on the gift card itself, click the denomination that you want to get, and you see over here it'll tell you how many swag bucks you'll get back for buying that gift card. So that's a really good way of earning swag bucks. And like I said, watch for the specials, because every couple of months there'll be a new special and it'll say earn an extra 100 swag bucks or whatever for buying a gift card. They used to have my CVS gift cards right here, and I would buy those every other week or so and get the swag bucks for it, and then I would get a free swag bucks gift card after building up. But they don't carry the CVS anymore, and I've noticed that they also don't carry the Walmart gift cards anymore either. So, but they do still have some things that I like to use. Now, another thing that you could do, I would say always do the daily poll. It doesn't give you a whole lot. You only get 1 swag buck for doing the daily poll, but every so often it will do a deal where it says earn 100 swag bucks if you do the daily poll for 15 days this month, or earn so many one month. It was earn 300 swag bucks for doing the daily poll and the daily search. So it was really easy. These are your daily bonuses. Definitely do those. And if you are really into playing games, oh, there's our Glade again. Discover special offers and earn, and you can always, of course, look through these. If you're into playing games, they do have play games and earn. Most of the games here, though, you will notice it is earn swag bucks when you purchase credits to play. But if you go, see if I can go all the way to the end. Okay, oops, I passed it. Okay, right here. These three games, Swag Memory, Swagasaurus Run, and Swag Jump, those are the three free games that you can play to earn swag bucks each day. And then the next thing would be refer and earn. Share the love and earn 300 swag bucks. This changes from month to month. Sometimes it's a little more, sometimes it's a little less. When your referral earns 300, then you each will get an extra 300. So that's nice. And I'm going to drop my referral link down below in the Show More box, so that if y'all want to take it over, you can. Of course, you don't have to. You can always type in Swag Bucks on your search bar and go directly there. But if you want us both to earn some extra swag bucks, then definitely take my referral link. I would appreciate it. You can also share your referral links on Facebook, Twitter, or whatnot, and it works that way as well. And you can just copy it straight in if you want to put it into your thing so that you can copy and paste it. I don't earn a whole lot on referrals. I don't depend on the referrals to be the way I get my swag bucks. Mostly my swag bucks come from buying gift cards and from doing the coupon deals that I find in here. I did do the Kiwi deal, Amy. Amy's the one that reminded me of that one. So thank you to her. I do have some wonderful, wonderful people in my coupon family that help keep me on the right track. So anyway, that's how you earn the swag bucks. Now, once you have your swag bucks, you're going to want to know how to get your gift card. So you'll go over here to redeem your swag bucks. Click on that. And here pop up all the rewards that you can use to redeem your swag bucks for gift cards. And like I said, you can buy the $5 gift cards for 500 swag bucks. So it doesn't take a whole lot to do that. I like to go over to health and beauty. And here's where I find my CVS gift cards, the $5, the $10, or the $25 gift cards. But you can do it any number of ways. There was even, I think there was even a PayPal option gift card available. So dig around in there and see which gift cards work for you. If you want to earn your free gift cards and just get gift cards for like Christmas gifts or whatever, that's certainly a good idea too. Save up and get $10 gift cards for free and put them in a card under the Christmas tree once a year. That's a fabulous idea. Okay, so I hope I've helped you figure out how to work swag bucks a little bit and how to make some extra swag bucks along the way. I hope that you have a wonderful time learning how to play with swag bucks. And if you've got any questions, feel free to drop them down below. And if I don't know the answer, then I'll look into it and see if I can't figure it out for you. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.